Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Glamour Gadgets and Gaming by Leah. Guys, today, as you all must have seen, Honor has launched a number of products at the IFA Berlin 2020, and as you guys must have seen on my tweets and Instagram, I have been revealing bits and bobs of what I have got my hands on. And guys, here is the Honor Watch GS Pro, one of the latest from Honor. And guys, as you all know, I'm a massive fan of Honor products, and especially Honor's Magic Watch 2, which I still wear to date. So here we go guys, the Honor Watch GS Pro. Let's get it out the box. And in the box we have a USB Type-C charging cable and a magnetic charging dock. And here it is guys, the Honor Watch GS Pro, which has a 25-day battery life, built-in GPS and up to 48 hours battery life when the GPS is enabled, blood pressure monitoring, route back function with breadcrumb navigation, over 100 workout modes and 14 military standards. And if you are looking to purchase it guys, it will be available to buy as of the 8th of September. And guys, you can also choose a free gift alongside your purchase, which includes an option of the Honor Magic earbuds, the Honor Bluetooth earphones, or the Honor Router 3, all of which I have reviewed on the channel. I have left the link for these in the description box below this video. Priced at £249.99, which I personally feel is a bargain. Let's dive right into this video guys and share with you exactly what this watch is all about. Look at it guys, it has a nice rugged design and features a stainless steel bezel ring and dial, a 1.39 inch AMOLED full round screen, 454 by 454 pixels at 326 ppi. It weighs around 45.5 grams without the straps and around 75 grams with the straps on, which are made of silicone and have a nice strong rubbery feel. The Honor Watch GS Pro comes in 3 colours: charcoal black, which I have here in front of me, a marl white, and a camo blue, which is not currently available on the Honor website. I have the charcoal black on my wrist and it looks fantastic. It's powered by the Huawei Kirin A1 chipset. It has up to 25 days battery life max on a full single charge, up to 48 hours battery life with GPS enabled, and up to 100 hours battery life when outdoor workout mode is enabled. This can be fully charged in less than 2 hours. It also supports 5 ATM IP rating, which means it's water resistant and can be submerged in up to 50 meters of water, so great for swimming. And guys, you can also check your heart rate whilst swimming, giving you a more accurate reading. The Honor Watch GS Pro supports GPS and GLONASS tracking system and an interesting route back mode that Honor claims tracks your journey and uses it to guide you back along your original path. Now that'll be interesting to check out.
Paused. Workout ended.
And the GS Pro also has a heart rate monitor, supports blood oxygen tracking, sleep tracking and stress monitoring. Other features amongst many include weather alerts, Bluetooth calls, notifications. However guys, as many of you are always eager to know, especially when I reviewed the Casio G-Shock recently, unfortunately the Honor Watch GS Pro does not support any maps nor any third-party apps support such as Strava. Guys, it supports over 100 workout modes which pop up on your screen. We also have an altitude barometer, supports daily activities tracking and monitoring, for example step count, calories burnt, etc. It auto detects and records workouts, and guys, it features professional running guidance. We also have remote photo shooting, which controls photo shoot via the watch. You can store up to 500 songs on the watch with control and playback. You can manage phone calls via Bluetooth, receive weather forecast which changes and alerts you. We also have a very reliable 24/7 heart rate monitor, an SpO2 monitor which tracks your blood oxygen saturation levels, a sleep monitor and a stress monitor. These features can be managed via the Huawei True Sleep, Huawei True Relax, and the Huawei True Scene apps. Honor claims that the watch is built to withstand high temperatures, low temperatures, rain, humidity, and low pressures at altitude. And to support the idea of why these temperatures are applicable, Honor brings us over 100 supported workout modes, which include a new skiing mode. This tracks your exercise on the slopes as well as other high-octane activities like mountain climbing, swimming, and cycling.
Minute. Try to keep your heart rate between 0 and 0 between workout paused. Workout ended.
The watch looks and feels great, and it features plenty of animated outdoor watch faces. Check out these guys. I'm absolutely loving these. You can change these via the watch or via the smartphone app. Bear in mind, when you do purchase this watch, there will be a couple of updates, so be sure to update your Honor Watch GS Pro before using it. So guys, this was a very quick unboxing and overview of the Honor Watch GS Pro, one of Honor's latest offerings of its two brand new wearables, so the Honor Watch GS Pro and the Honor Watch ES, which I shall be featuring on the channel very soon. So what are your thoughts on the Honor GS Pro? Be sure to share your thoughts and jot down any questions that you may have in the comment box below. And guys,
I'm here. I'm here.
in my personal opinion, it's a very stylish, rugged, yet slick looking smartwatch, which looks and feels great on my wrist. I personally do not find it too chunky or too thick or heavy at all. It fits very nicely and comfortably on my small wrist, which is around 7 inches in circumference. But yeah, I do look forward to reviewing its second offering, which is the Honor Watch ES. So do look out for the review on that watch in the coming days. I will be doing a full-on test and review on this Honor Watch GS Pro very soon, so stick around on the channel and yeah, look out for it. Meanwhile guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed this quick overview. We also have the Honor's latest MagicBook Pro and the MagicBook 15-inch, which I shall be covering on the channel very soon. Alongside that, we've got lots of other reviews and giveaways lined up, so stick around. And for now guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit that bell icon above. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram to be notified of my upcoming videos, giveaways, etc. Until the next one guys, take care, stay safe, bye.